All right, so I have these PNG files of floor plans that I brought into Blender that I want to use for reference. I've scaled them so they are the right scale, and now I need to lay them out so that they actually provide a reasonable reference for me when I start putting things into the scene. So, first thing I think I'm going to do is, well, let's get them on the right view. If I push one on my keyboard so that I've got the front view, clearly I'm not seeing these. So, I'm going to grab each of these items and I will rotate on Z 90 degrees. And let's just see if we get what we want. Oh, the lettering is backwards. So let's do that again. Rotate 180 degrees, not. Control Z. Rotate on Z. Shouldn't forget that, 180 degrees. Silly little things that are easy to forget. Okay, so if I'm on front view, that's what I have. Next, let's get these guys each lined up with each other on 0, 0, 0 in coordinate wise. So I grab each item 0, 0, 0. I'll grab the other plan 0, 0. It's already on 0. Great. So now they're both one over the other. Next step is okay, this is the front view. So we will leave that as it is. The floor plan, I'm going to want to rotate that so that it's running on the y-axis. So let's go ahead and try that. So we'll rotate that on X, and we will do that 90 degrees and see if that works. Let's zoom in on this guy. Actually, let's grab push 7. Oh. Zoom in a little bit. Am I seeing what I expect to see? Yep, everything is legible. So that's great.